This is the monthly chart on Blue Apron, and you can see that price bottomed between $5 and $6. And then last week we had this huge surge from $6. Price closed at roughly $13. So what was all the fuss? Well, let's get into the news before we continue with the analysis. So Blue Apron stock doubled in price after taking a buyout offer from Marc Wonder Group. Blue Apron has been a horrible stock to own since its IPO in 2017. It had two reversal splits, which means that if you had bought 100 shares during the IPO, you would now have barely 1/2 of a share. So who's Marc Well, he founded several e-commerce companies in the last decade. Most notably, it was Jet.com, which was later sold to Walmart in 2016. He spent the next 5 years as head of U.S. e-commerce. Originally founded as a network of food trucks, it's now a ghost kitchen with its own supply chain. It was last valued at $3.5 billion after its last funding round in 2022. So Blue Apron will transfer its fulfillment centers and equipment to Fresh Ream, which delivers fresh meals to retailers in June. Fresh Ream now owns 16.5% of Blue Apron. Now, Blue Apron was founded in 2012. It had its heyday in the mid-2010s when it advertised widely on podcasts as a way for new cooks to make restaurant-quality meals at home without any waste. So the ghost kitchen idea, like food trucks and meal kits before it, have lost luster since COVID-19 pandemic when everything opened up again. What's left of Blue Apron may be going from the frying pan to the fire. Unfortunately for investors, it's Lore's fire now. Now, Wonder's acquisition of Blue Apron is expected to create a leading platform for meal time, enhancing meal time with choice, flexibility, and convenience through two exceptional brands. The thought is the combination is expected to enhance both companies' abilities to deliver chef-curated meals with high-quality ingredients to more customers across the country. Now going back to the weekly chart again, upside is somewhat short-lived. You do have resistance at the $16 level. You can see back at the beginning of the year, you have these rejection wicks, which implies selling pressure. It'd be one thing if price could have closed above the level, but that didn't happen. You just had these wicks, and in this area you have the sellers that are in control. So if you happen to get in at the lows, you may want to consider take some off the table now with your final target at $16. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please like the video.